We are at the 37th annual Roth Capital Conference in San Diego, California, with the famous Shane Schaffer of Cingulate, stock symbol CING. You're always on the show. We see you a lot, but we're here in person.
Always enjoy being with you guys, exactly.
What can I tell you? What can you tell us about the conference?
Well, you know, this is probably one of the largest conferences for not only healthcare, but investment across the spectrum, tech, energy, etc. But, you know, for Cingulate and a lot of healthcare companies, we're here to, again, sort of just gauge the markets, see how the interest is in terms of, you know, it's been a rough 36 to 48 months in the biotech space, to say the least. Good news is we're getting a lot of good feedback that investors are coming back. They're starting to really see the value for some of these companies like Cingulate, which has been obviously challenged by the market liquidity over the last 2, 3, 4 years. So the mood is good. The excitement around Cingulate and where we stand as we get ready to file our NDA in the upcoming months. We have a live meeting with the FDA in 2 to 3 weeks. So we're really excited about the future. A lot of inflection points coming up, and it's fun to be here. You know, Kansas City is great, but I'll take that ocean over there in this nice sun from time to time as well.
No, that's exactly right. I mean, we talk on the show all the time about how, well, just in the last couple of weeks, the market has been a little shaky, but for biotech in general, things have been on an upswing. You know, you went through, you said, 40 months of a little precariousness, a lot of pressure. But when we see the energy here and the investors meeting with all sorts of companies, it seems like more deal flow is happening, more activity is being generated. I mean, is it valuable for you to be here?
Yeah, it is, especially as we convey our message to a lot of the family offices as well as some of the smaller institutional investors. We're sitting at a point now at Cingulate where we've taken the hits over the last 4 years being a public company. But to that point, where do we stand now? We've raised the capital we need to file our NDA. We're well funded, well past that NDA submission. We'll get into 2026. We don't have a lot more capital to raise.
Right.
We'll be submitting that NDA and then looking at approval sometime in the middle part of next year. So we are close to getting revenue, and that's important for people to understand as they start looking at Cingulate in the open market.
No,
we're poised for a good run up.
I mean, those are all key things that every stockholder is going to want to know. You've raised your cash and you're ready to go. Again, just to remind the audience, some of the most impressive technology, I mean, with the time release, yeah, that's right. I mean, is that something that you see other people competing really with, or is I mean, I think you guys are fairly unique.
It's a great question. There's a lot of delivery technologies in the market, in the healthcare sector especially. There's nothing like precision time release. We are the first oral tablet of its kind that gives us the ability to take one small tablet about the size of your pinky nail and deliver 2, 3, 4 of the same or different drugs, put them into the various different areas of the tablet, precisely time exactly when the medication is going to be released and what style the medication is released, and then can we now ratio medications for the best outcome for patients. The issues around efficacy, safety, tolerability, booster doses. It affects a lot of therapeutic areas, not just ADHD and anxiety, but that's what's really exciting about the future of Cingulate, not only this initial $22 billion category we're getting ready to go into.
I mean, that is an important area. I think we all know if you have a mechanism that you can apply to other drugs. I mean, just licensing alone, it kind of maybe even a kind of bolt-on thing for other companies.
And how it's a great point. That's exactly where Cingulate's going as we move forward. Obviously, this 22 million Americans have ADHD. 10 million of them are children and adolescents. 12 million of them are adults. It's a disorder that's been around for 70 plus years. So we obviously are focusing on that area first. We have another medication for anxiety, generalized anxiety disorder. We'll go into insomnia, into movement disorders, into some cardiovascular diseases, as well as licensing. So we're already licensing our product outside the United States. We'll keep the product in the United States. But as we go outside the United States, we have Europe, United Kingdom, South America, Africa, a lot of places we'll look at. And the platform itself is very exciting to deliver as well.
6, 7.
And if you can hear it, the Goo Goo Dolls are playing tonight. That's what's happening behind us right now. They're testing.
How are we all? As I think the audience has heard, there's a lot going on here, and like you said, we've got the concert tonight. Very excited about that. Want to thank you for being such a frequent guest on the show. We love you. CEO Shane Schaffer, Cingulate, stock symbol CING. Thank you so much for your time.
I appreciate it.
Of course.
Thanks, guys.